Hi, this is Patrick Durkin from the Wellness Enterprise, and I'm going to briefly explain how to install the best water filter ever. So when you receive it, this is the outer housing. You simply unscrew the top. You receive a filter like this. The replacement filters also look like this. You cut off the plastic. You put it down into the housing, and once it's in there, you seal the housing up and it's ready to go. You can't put it in there wrong. Just push it in. It's simple, it's foolproof. Then you pick your spot, your sink that you're going to use it on. It can be used for a water fountain too, something like that. It can be used behind a fridge. Basically anything that has a flexible tube. This is a 1/4-inch flexible tube. We give you a nice long piece in the package. You can cut this anywhere you want to because you have two ends. Two quick connects, and you have one piece. So just cut it where you need to, depending on your length. And when you're ready, you simply push the flexible tube in and pull, and you'll notice it won't come out. If you do need to take it out, you just press in with your fingernails here, and you can pull it back out. That's how easy it is to attach. Then on the upside, you connect the top part to a drinking water spigot at your sink. And then you connect the bottom part down to a T. Now, there's an enormous variety of spigots and Ts, which is why we don't include them, because many of you might have a different preference than what we would send out, and then you end up throwing parts and pieces away. These are all commonly available at Home Depot. Plumbers carry them on their trucks. We'll show you a picture of a T right now on the screen, and you can see what they look like, and that there are a lot of variations of them. So you just put a T in under your sink, you connect the flexible tube, you connect the device with flexible tubing on both sides like this, and then you connect to your spigot. And then if you want to, we've included a bracket for you and a screw, and you simply put this into the wall and click the device into it, and it'll hold it wherever you put it. So that's how you install the best water filter ever. Thank you for choosing the Wellness Enterprise.